So what we're talking about here today really is the ISPS and the iWire, the Sparktrack platform. What savings can we give the customer in his daily production? And when we look at the savings just on this part, i.e. 115 meters of wire is saved in 30 minutes. That equates now to 230 meters per hour. And now try and imagine that over, let's say, an 8-hour shift and even over what is a year's production.
Today at GF Machining Solutions in Coventry. A couple of months ago we were here looking at the AgieCharmilles CUT P 350 Pro wire cut machine. Today we're going to dive a little deeper into some of the technologies within that machine that will help you cut parts better, cheaper and faster, thanks to their digital roadmap named Sparktrack.
So my name is Mark Lassiter. I'm the EDM and Additive Product Manager for GF Machining Solutions UK. So Sparktrack, remember, is a digital roadmap for what is the technology database and looking after what is the Spark environment. So the two modules, one incorporates what is the Intelligent Spark Protection System, and that is to monitor in real time what is actually happening during the spark process, adapting to the cut environment and creating safety for the process. iWire is all about them working in conjunction with Sparktrack and ISPS and saving the customer wire consumption during his production. ISPS is about, we select one technology database, but during the erosion process, the machine will digitally adjust the spark intensity as we're cutting through sections. So if we look at the workpiece that's on the table, which is very difficult, we've got lots of through sections where there's open gaps, poor flushing, changing in height material, ISPS will adjust the spark process. We need more intensity for thicker parts and we need less intensity of spark for thinner parts.
Okay, so we've heard what ISPS does, but what savings can I expect to make?
So in terms of this demonstration here, in effect we've saved 115 meters of wire for what is 30 minutes of production. So if you equate that then to what is an hour, that's 300 in effect meters of wire saved just on this production part. So if you look at complex jobs, let's say when we're using wire, typically things like wire breaks can happen. And why do wire breaks happen? They happen because there is a heat zone inside the material. That could be caused by bad flushing, that could be caused by instability of wire. Something makes the wire break. Now the whole idea of the ISPS is because we adapt that environment in real time, we help prevent those wire breaks from happening. So you're saving in production time of one technology base for all, and at the same time not having to go back, repair the wire, rethread the wire and start cutting again. But the whole idea of iWire, let's say for the customer, is rather than using one set technology, wire speed, as we're cutting through the part, by us being able to adapt that speed in various sections of the production, what we're doing is in effect we're leaving more wire on the spool, which is now readily to use for another production job. So we believe at GF Machining Solutions that the Sparktrack roadmap, ISPS, iWire, is the best solution for the customer. The customer doesn't have to understand really anymore what do I have to do at certain points in my production environment. It's digitally done for him. And this means to say that rather than in the old days where we used to have to put codes in the program to adapt the environment, we don't have to do that anymore. It means to say we can just put the job on the table, we can select the ISPS technology and off we go, we press start.
And this is just the start of the story. The wire machine that featured in this production has been sold and will be heading to its new home in a few weeks' time, where we intend to visit and find out how utilising the latest technologies the CUT P 350 Pro offers helps manufacturers cut better and faster for less.